Hey there, little chefs! Are you ready to stir up some big fun in the kitchen? Today we're diving into a world where cooking isn't just for grown-ups, it's for us too. I'm here to guide you through some super simple and super fun recipes that you can try at home, so grab your aprons and let's get started. First up, we're making magical fruit wands. You'll need some skewers, your favorite fruits like strawberries, grapes, and bananas. Now, with a little help from an adult, carefully slide the fruits onto the skewer. Ta-da! You've just made your very own magic wand that's not only fun to wave around, but delicious to eat. Next, let's whip up some smiley face pancakes. Mix up some pancake batter. You can use a mix or make it from scratch. Once your batter is ready, pour it onto a hot griddle with adult supervision, of course. Now, here's where the fun begins. Use blueberries for eyes, a strawberry slice for a nose, and a curved banana slice for a big, happy smile. Cooking is like painting, but you get to eat your art. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Let's create a yummy yogurt parfait. Grab a cup and layer it with yogurt, then add a layer of granola, and top it with a layer of mixed berries. Keep stacking until you reach the top. It's like building a tasty tower. Remember, little chefs, the most important ingredients in every dish are a spoonful of fun and a sprinkle of creativity. Whether you're making fruit wands, smiley pancakes, or towering parfaits, the kitchen is your playground. So go ahead, experiment with flavors and shapes, and make each dish uniquely yours. And there you have it. 3 fun, easy, and super yummy recipes to try out. I can't wait to see what amazing creations you come up with. Don't forget to clean up after your cooking adventure. It's part of the fun too. Thanks for joining me, little chefs. Keep cooking, keep smiling, and above all, keep having fun. See you next time in our little kitchen of wonders. Bye.